Rihanna just fed a cow laddus while holding a leather bag, and the internet is losing its mind over this irony and selective compassion. But here's what everyone's missing. The same global icon who once sparked massive outrage in India by tweeting about the farmers' protest is now doing aarti and playing Phoolon ki Holi at the Ambani house, fully immersing herself in Indian rituals and traditions. Okay, I know she's here to promote her brand because Riri goes where money flows. But there is something else going on here too, and that could make India the superpower that it aspires to be. But to understand this, we need to zoom out a little bit and think about this first. Why does a 10-year-old kid living in India know more about Korean culture than a Korean kid knows about ours? It's because Korea poured billions into exporting K-pop to make their culture look cool and aspirational. America did the same with Hollywood. They didn't explain the American dream. They made the world desire it. Now that's soft power. And whether you like it or not, that's exactly what the Ambanis are doing with Indian culture. That's why you see the Kardashians showing up in lehengas and Indian jewelry. If you don't know, these are the OG influencers who sold the American way of life to an entire generation across the world. Do you think they suddenly developed a deep love for Indian traditions? No. They participated because this culture was being presented by a rich Indian family as elite, high status and luxurious. And here's the part that I know will upset a lot of cultural warriors. The world doesn't care about your angry tweets. It doesn't care about your anonymous account with 12 followers and no DP abusing and calling people anti-national. The world respects power, money and aspiration. That's the harsh truth we need to work with if we want to change the cultural narrative. So take a break from all the Rihanna memes and ask yourself this: what will make Indian culture globally respected? Success and prosperity or endless outreach and bullying? Let me know your thoughts below.